Hello everyone, welcome to Pepper Barn. Today's video will be a review of my first Trader Joe's haul of the season. And here's what I got: Rustico bread, vegetable ratatouille, portobello mushroom soup, spaghetti squash spirals, stuffed gnocchi, butternut squash mac and cheese, pumpkin ravioli, pumpkin bisque, autumnal harvest creamy pasta sauce, autumnal harvest soup, organic maple butter, apple cider jam, autumn maple coffee, sparkling ginger brew, Honeycrisp apple cider, and maple streusel bread, which almost didn't make the video because I loved it so much. Wild organic carrots, and broccoli cauliflower gratin. So here's a look at the food combinations I tried for the season. First up is ginger brew. This drink is perfect for the fall season. It definitely has a heavy ginger taste. It's a great non-alcoholic beverage option, especially if you would like to switch it up from the traditional apple cider, which is why I had to give it a try. I will say it is strong in taste, so for that reason, I went ahead and cut it with the apple cider. I went with the unfiltered apple cider at Trader Joe's, and it was a perfect blend of flavors for this drink. It might be strange for you to hear me call this drink spicy. The ginger brew definitely has a kick, which is also why I recommend cutting it with maybe an apple juice or apple cider like I did here. I really enjoyed the flavor profile. It was definitely something that put me in the mood for fall. Next item I was really excited to try out is the portobello mushroom soup. It is definitely a creamy one. As you can see here, it's pretty thick in consistency right out of the package. I chose to follow the serving suggestion on the box, which was use milk instead of water. I went ahead and chose my favorite plant-based almond milk at the moment. I found the flavor of the soup okay, but I wanted it to be a little bit more savory, so I added a mushroom umami seasoning. And for this food pairing to go with the soup, I went ahead and in advance baked a sweet potato. And of course, this was a great opportunity to also try the maple butter. And may I say, this was heavenly. I couldn't get enough of it. This was addicting. So good. Next up, when I found the stuffed gnocchi in the frozen goods section, I really had to stop and make certain that I read the description of what was in the ingredients. It seems pretty organic for those of you who are, conscious about processed foods. I don't have a food pairing for this one, just more of a taste test. As excited as I was to try it, I was really disappointed with the outcome. This texture was not to my liking. I expect gnocchi to be just a little bit on the dense side. It is potato based, so I know it doesn't act and feel like a typical pasta, but there was just something so gummy and sticky about this pasta that I just didn't enjoy at all. I really wanted to give this pasta a good chance, so I added the autumnal harvest pasta sauce, which improved the flavor. The flavor wasn't the issue, it was still a texture thing for me, folks. I recognize that potentially the pot I used to cook it in could have attributed to the texture quality. If that is the case, potentially in the future I'll buy it again, but I'm not enough of a pasta lover to actually give it another go. Next up is the pumpkin ravioli. This is an interesting pasta. It's in the fresh food aisle, so when I was shopping for it, caught me off guard, had to put it in the cart. It seemed pretty amazing considering I think the cheese, it's either a cream cheese. The cheese is different, so if you're into cheese, I recommend it. And it cooks up really fluffy and very pretty. The aesthetic of the pasta just, I was speechless. I'm like, am I Food Network? What's happening? If you're looking for a quick fall meal, this cooked up so fast, folks. It was done within 5 minutes, and of course I paired it with the same autumnal harvest pasta sauce. This was delish. So tasty, flavorful. I actually taste pumpkin with the cheese and the pasta sauce. None of the flavors were overpowering the other. I would absolutely try it if you're a pumpkin fan. This is for the pumpkin lovers. This is for you, pumpkin and cheese lovers. And my last Trader Joe's food pairing is the apple cider jam spread on top of the maple streusel bread. This was the go-to snack of all of my snacks from this haul. I think I ate this twice a day, every day until the bread was gone. I absolutely recommend warming it, whether that's a toaster, a microwave. I chose the microwave. I found putting the bread slices into the toaster, they're just a little small and I would burn my fingers. So I'm a baby when it comes to heat. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.